going to take a quick sound clip of my 2006 F430 Spider with Fabspeed headers, stock cats, and stock exhaust. This is going to be demonstrating the Capristo RF control system for the valves. These are your valves right here. They're actually vacuum driven, but the vacuum is driven by a 12-volt solenoid that is driven by the ECU, and it opens up at higher RPM. It makes a really nice sound, but at lower RPM it's closed. So Capristo makes a valve that basically forces it open all the time, or allows it to open and close with the ECU, the OEM operation. So we're going to start this up and listen. The module mounts under this panel. Sorry, too lazy to take the panel off and show you. I installed mine in 30 minutes. The modules are available from Capristo. Just search for Capristo exhaust. They're about $600. So I'll be quiet so you can listen. I'll start the car and the valve will be off. This is quiet. I believe that's self-explanatory.